Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto using Phantom Wallet. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your preferred browser. Next, you will either create a brand new wallet or securely import an existing one using your recovery phrase. It is absolutely crucial to back up your seed phrase immediately and store it in a very safe, offline location. Never share this phrase with anyone to maintain your asset security. Once your Phantom Wallet is set up, you'll need to fund it with Solana or Sol, as it's the primary token for network fees and many transactions. The easiest way to acquire SOL is through a reputable centralized exchange. After purchasing, simply send the SOL from your exchange account to your unique Phantom Wallet address. Always double-check the address before confirming any transfer to prevent loss of funds. With SOL in your wallet, you can now easily swap it for other cryptocurrencies directly within Phantom. Navigate to the swap feature, which is usually represented by a double arrow icon. Choose the token you want to swap from, typically SOL, and then select the desired token you wish to receive. Carefully review all transaction details, including any fees, before confirming your swap. This process is quick and efficient. To ensure your assets remain secure, always verify every transaction detail before confirming. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts, suspicious links, or unsolicited messages that ask for your seed phrase or private keys. Remember, legitimate services will never ask for this information. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals. Staying informed and secure is key in the crypto space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.